Alright, hello, my name is Alex, and today I'm going to show you how to swap sounds with Halo Map Tools. It's a bit of an old school thing, but I'll show you how to do it anyway. We get a map in Halo Map Tools, such as Blue Gulch. Then we go here to sound, find weapons, where is it? Hang on a minute. Equals weapons, here we go. So we've got things like needle fire, pistol fire. Right, so for pistol fire, I've already got this code in here, which is from the Warthog chain gun, which you can find down here somewhere. Hang on, it is here. I'm not lying. Okay, we're just going to use shotgun fire then, because I've already screwed this up before. So we copy that code up here, this one, and we go back up to pistol fire, and we paste it in there, and we click save, then close that, and go into Halo. Right, now we've opened up Halo, we go to host a multiplayer game, or whatever, on Blood Gulch, any game type, and we go in here.
Slayer.
Alright, so here's our pistol, which should make the same sound as a shotgun. I don't know if you can hear this or not, so here goes. If you didn't hear that, I'm gonna put the mic next to the speakers, right now. Alright, hang on a minute. I admit it doesn't make the best sound in the world, but it's a good example of what you can do with sound swapping in Halo Map Tools. Anyway, so that's it. So get out of my server basically.